Thibitari nene ya kerugoya kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga niko ngabana waiguru arekereirie urigitani matuura-ini 1250 aria magukorwo magicera o mucii niguo gutungatira muingi.
Community health promoters 1205. This is the official flag off. They play a very critical role in the provision of primary health care and the achievement of universal health coverage.
Waiguru augite urigitani aya ni marikitie kuheo mashini cia guthurima mirimu ta ya cukari, kuhaicia thakame na rugari kuri ciana.
The kits that we are giving has essential commodities, as you have seen. They have a weighing scale both for adults and for children, a weighing scale, clinical thermometer, measuring tape to measure like the length of the child, blood pressure machine, blood sugar machine, medicine box.
Waiguru augite murigitani araheo micii igana rimwe iria agukorwo agicera o muthenya na ona thina akamathiriria guthii thibitari.
Each of the CHPs will be in charge of 100 households and comprising of about 500 people. Every community health unit have a health facility that is assigned to them. So if they find somebody who's not feeling well, they can refer them to the health facility.
Waiguru ongereire ati unyitaniri-ini na mbunge ya kaunti nimegukorwo makiga mbeca budget-ini niguo kuhuthia mithiire ya arigitani aya magitungatira muingi.
Partnership with the government of His Excellency President William Samoei Ruto, we have partnered to ensure we give a small stipend so that we are not just volunteering for free. So we will be giving a stipend to every community health worker.
Ihinda-ini o riu Waiguru ni ataririe mubango wake wa kugacirithia ugima wa mweri kuria thirikari yake irikitie gwaka mathibitari 20 matuura-ini na kwambatiria ikiro mathibitari ma Kirinyaga, Sagana na Barisho na kumakinyiria gikiro gia level 4.
We have built this hospital and upgraded it to level 5 so that it can serve our community, and we're in the process of finishing both Kirinyaga and Kimbembe Hospital to level 4. We also have the Sagana Hospital, which is also being upgraded to level 4. And after that, once we are done with that, we will do the Barisho Hospital. So
arigitani aya a matuura magukorwo magiteithiriria kunyihia muhatikano wa arwaru mathibitari-ini amu mari na uhoti wa kurigita mirimu minini.
Many of these people have been working as health volunteers, but now we are going to be taking them through training.
Ngiribotera Muthingi TV, njitagwo Njeri wa Ndung'u.